Hi guys, this is Dental Classes for you. Welcome to NEET MTS Revision Capsule. We shall discuss 15 questions from biostatistics from the community dentistry topic. First question, how often is census conducted? Census is conducted every 10 years. A little more on the topic. What is census? Census is collection of information from entire population in contrast to sampling where we collect information from representatives of the population. Who is the father of health statistics? It is John Grund. I repeat, the father of health statistics is John Grund. The next question, correlation coefficient ranges from -1 to +1. It denotes the correlation between two variables. Correlation coefficient of -1 indicates perfect negative correlation, while that of a +1 indicates a perfect positive correlation. 0 indicates no correlation. Also, any value above or below this limit indicates an error in computation. The next question, the number of degrees of freedom in a 3×3 table is. Here, the number of degrees of freedom is given by the equation r-1 into c-1, where r indicates the number of rows and c indicates the number of columns. Here, the number of rows and columns are 3 each, so substituting in the equation 3-1 into 3-1, which gives 2 into 2, that is 4. Fifth question, mean, median and mode are connected by the equation mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Sensitivity of a test is its ability to identify true positives. That is, it indicates the probability of correctly identifying a case of disease. Next question, specificity of a screening test measures true negatives. That is, in specificity, what you do is rule out a disease. That is, it is the probability of correctly identifying disease-free persons. Eighth question, the measure of central tendency in a highly skewed population is median. That is, in cases where there is extremes of values, median is that measure of central tendency that is least affected. The value that most frequently occurs in a set of observations is mode. That is, mode is that value that occurs with the greatest frequency. Another point to note here is that a series may have no mode, one mode or multiple modes but will never have negative mode. The comparison of proportions is done by chi-square test. Chi-square test is a non-parametric test. It is basically a test of proportions. It is also referred to as test of association or test of goodness of fit. Accepting null hypothesis when it is false is referred to as type 2 error. Accepting a null hypothesis when it is true or rejecting a null hypothesis when it is false are both correct. While, on the contrary, if you reject a null hypothesis that is true, it is referred to as type 1 error. Similarly, if you accept a null hypothesis that is false, it is referred to as type 2 error. Correlation coefficient of 1.1 indicates computational mistake. As discussed earlier, correlation coefficient value ranges from -1 to +1. Any value above or below this limit indicates an error in computation. The sampling that involves random selection from pre-existing natural groups is called cluster sampling. Such clusters can be schools, villages, etc. Here, the individuals are not randomly selected, but the clusters are randomly selected and all the individuals within each cluster are surveyed. The next question, that is standard deviation to mean ratio. It is coefficient of variance. Now, moving on to the last question, association between two variables is given by scatter diagram. It is a diagram which shows relationship between two variables, and if the dots cluster around a straight line, it shows a linear relationship. And that's all. Thank you. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to my channel.